It can be really frustrating if you want to play one of your favorite games on your PlayStation 4 and you get an error code. In today's tech video, I'm going to show you how to fix a PlayStation 4 error code that reads CE-33991-5. First, let's try one of the easiest and quickest methods to try and fix your PlayStation. Unplug the power source from the wall outlet and wait 60 seconds. Now be patient here, wait the whole 60 seconds. This is very different from powering down your PlayStation, so make sure that you try this method. If it works, great. If not, then let's move on to the next method. Second, let's make sure that you're getting internet to your PlayStation. So let's do a quick reset of the Wi-Fi. Find your router that is giving you internet and unplug that for 60 seconds and then plug it back in. When it reconnects, check your PlayStation then. If it doesn't work, then let's go ahead and move on to the last method. With this particular error code, it's caused when the PlayStation 4 cannot connect to the network. The PlayStation network or game servers may be temporarily unavailable. This happens from time to time. You might have to wait it out a little bit until they're available again. But if both services are active, then carry out an internet connection test by going to Settings, then Network, then Test Internet Connection to confirm that you can connect to the internet. The third thing to try would be to update your router's firmware. Now this, you may have to contact your router manufacturer or internet service provider for assistance on this. But make sure you turn off all the devices connected to your network and see if you're getting a connection that way. If you're still experiencing difficulties, then please try again later. The server may be experiencing high traffic. Well, hopefully this video was helpful for you. If it was, go ahead and click a thumbs up on it. And go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I would love to have you back in the next one. Take care.